Y'all, what's up, what's up, what's up? Okay, so I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing for you all. These are going to be workout clothes that I got from Target. So I'm really excited to show you all what I got. I got some really cute things. The colors are amazing. I love working out with really nice, pretty, vibrant colors because it motivates me. Like, okay, I'm about to put something cute on and get this workout on, get this body right, keep this body right. So I'm going to show you all what I got. We're going to get right into it. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos. Honey, this is the only way you're going to know about my videos being posted if you cut those notifications on. And I'm also doing a lot of giveaways here as well. I have done several in the past, so I'll be doing some more as well. So hit that bell so you can be notified. So let's just get into it. Okay, so the first item is the item that I have on. It's like this really pretty sports bra. It has like detailing on the top. I actually got another one that's just like this, and it's in a neon greenish color. I'm gonna have all of the information in the description box, the prices and the colors as well. I'm gonna link everything. So this one is called Lime Sherbet. So we can just go ahead and show you this one. And these were $22, and this is what the green one looks like. So it's a really pretty sherbet color. I don't really care for the padding here, but I mean, of course it's necessary so your nipples won't show or anything like that. So I mean, just padding in general. At least it's not like the type of padding that comes out. Have you ever had any sports bra that has like the little inserts where the padding goes and then it comes out when you wash it and stuff? I used to hate those, but this is not like that. So that's good. Well, yes, it is. But it's a little small one, so it's not going to just come out unless you like force it out or whatever. So that's good. So it's not, you don't have to keep it in there if you don't want to. So like I said, this is called Lime Sherbet. And the pants were out of stock, but I will link the pants. I actually checked their website. I think I ordered the pants last night or this morning. I think it was this morning, but the pants are back in stock, so I will link those as well so you can get the pants to match if you like, or you can mix and match, you know, like color block with this stuff. So there are really soft material, but it's nice and sturdy, and I got a size small in both of these. So I got the pants to match, and this is a size small as well, and these were $34, and this is what the pants look like. They're nice and stretchy. It's nice and stretchy material. And it has nice detailing here towards the bottom part of the leg. And it has a thicker material, tad bit thicker here up at the waist. And it gives you a nice hug. It accentuates the waist a little bit. And definitely gives you a snug fit right up in there. Which is good because you kind of want something that's going to hold everything in and give you a nice sculpted look. So this is in the color coral. So I love the coral set, definitely my favorite, and it looks really nice paired with this coral bra. So I also got the same pants in this violet color, really pretty. It has a nice stretch here, like I said, and it also has the details here on the leg part. And these were also $34. So they're the same price, and I got these in a small as well. Everything I got in a small, so I don't have to keep saying that. But it was one pair of pants that is made out of a different material that I feel like I could definitely use a medium in because it kind of sucks everything in the butt part too. And I did not like that. I wanted something that's going to actually make my booty look good rather than like sucked in and suffocated, you know? So I think it's the material. So I definitely will probably get a medium in those, but I think it was sold out. So I may just have to return it because I don't like the small. I mean, it fit perfect, but like I said, I don't want nothing sucking my booty in, and no. These are different. These definitely, like I said, it gives you that sculpted look. Nothing is like looking like a pancake. It still gives you a nice little lift or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, a nice little sculpted look. That's what I would keep saying. I think that's the perfect word. Sculpted rather than flat. So this will look really cute with the green bra as well. But I also got the bra to match, and it's the same material, and it's not the same material as this one, but it's a different type of material. It's not as thick, but it's just like the legging material, and it has the detailing as well around the back and around the front and at the top. Like you can see the little detail, the holes that are details there, and it has a nice like crisscross back and designs right here in the back area. And yes, the tag fell off of this one. I don't feel like this one is as high of an impact as far as support as this one for some reason, but I think it's because of this material. But it's still really cute, and it still didn't feel like, you know, anything was spilling over, anything like that when I put it on. So it has a really nice texture to it, and it also has those little pads in the inside. So next I have this set, which is really cute, and this is by Joy Lab as well, and this is a small, and it has this really cute print. It's like a, what would this be called, like a marble print. And I love the colors because these are kind of like my school colors for college. We had like this garnet color, garnet and black, but they added a little bit of gold to it as well. Really pretty. And how much were these? These were $30. And I got the bra to match, of course. And this is what the bra looks like. Kind of like the texture of the bra that I have on right now. So this is what it looks like. And in the back, we have some details, honey. Some crisscross strappy details in the back. And it has the padding in it as well. And the bra was $20, like I said. Mostly all of the bras were $20 and $22. So these were the pants that I was talking about. But this color is so pretty. It reminds me of the Skim set that I have. And that really pretty like copper color. It's so pretty. I hope they get these back in my size because I definitely want a medium. I mean, like I said, the small, it fits, but I just think it's just too, it just sucks me in too much in the booty part. Like, I want my booty to be like looking like it normally look with nothing on. So yeah, but as you can see, the material is definitely a little bit different than the other ones. It's definitely a different type of material here. But it has designs at the bottom as well. Not the same, but little breathable holes here, I guess. And it has that on the back too. This set was so cute. And this is the bra that matches. And it's like a crisscross type of vibe as well. And hopefully y'all can see that. It's like a crisscross vibe. But this color just blew me away. Like, I love this color. And it looks so good on melanin skin. All skin tones, honestly. Because this color is just so pretty. Oh, my goodness. Perfect for, like, all seasons. Fall, winter, summer, spring. Like, this is a really, really nice color. I love this color. It says, seamless construction for comfort, moisture wicking. And these are the high-rise leggings. Of course, I think all of them were high-rise for the most part. And these were $30. And this is the brand All in Motion. Whereas the other one was a brand called Joy Lab or Lab Joy. One of the two. I think it's Joy Lab. Yeah. So, like these. So cute. But I'm gonna hold out for this medium. If they don't have the medium, I may end up keeping the small and just letting them just stretch out. But I don't want them to shrink when I wash them, so that's another thing. So hopefully I can find me a medium in these. And the bra, like I said, I got a size small in the bra, and this bra was $20. So this next set is by All in Motion. I forgot to show you all this one, but I saw it in the box. So I was like, oh, I forgot to try this one on. So this one is in the color Deep Olive. And I love how it fits. It has a really nice curvy contour construct on the leggings. And the leggings are a small and the bra is a small. The bra was $20 and the leggings were $30. So those are all the workout clothes that I got. I also got a cute little sweatsuit that I saw. And this is what the sweatsuit looks like. Being that I'm kind of tall, I wish they had like a tall section. or like a tall thing, like kind of like how ASOS does. They have the petite sizes, they have the regular sizes, and they have the tall sizes for some of their products. But this is what the joggers look like. It's like a tie-dye print, a really pretty purple color, and I got it because I have this cute little Fendi hat, and it's like a bucket hat, and it looks really cute with that. I actually brought it so I could wear it to the airport or something, but it's actually not the same color. I'm looking at the hat now. It's not the same color purple. So, but I mean, it still probably wouldn't look bad considering it's like tie-dye, but nah, I'm not feeling it. But you can't go wrong with a cute jogger set, and it has like a little zipper here. Okay, little pocket. And does it have it on both sides? On one side. So it's just a zipper on one side. Is this the front or the back? The back. Oh, it's two pockets in the front, and then it's like a zipper pocket right here in the back. That's neat. Like I said, I wish they had a long in these, so I may have to go up a size. This was a small, so I may have to get a medium in these. I have not worn it yet, so I did try it. When I tried it on, I was like, it's something about it that I wasn't feeling. Maybe I think I want them a little more baggy. They fit good, but like I said, I want them to be longer and a little more baggy, like the jogger effect. And I felt the same way about the sweatshirt as well, because the sweatshirt has this like zipper detail at the bottom, and I think I want it to be like that baggy, like tomboyish type of vibe. And this is what the shirt looks like. And then the arms, I think the arms were like right here at my wrist, and I'm like, I can barely like move my arm without it like coming up. So I probably need a medium in this. I may even get a large, just because like I do want that oversized look. So the joggers were $34, and this sweatshirt is $32. So I like the detailing though. It has a cute little zipper here, and you can go in and zip it back down if you like, or you can like leave it zipped up and kind of wear the pants up a little bit, or show a little belly if you want. But it depends on how it hangs. So I still think it's a really cute detail to have. It kind of threw me off at first, but it's cute. It kind of gives it a more like girlish vibe, and it's not too like too boyish looking, you know, like the average sweatsuit would look. I think that's a little detail they did for the ladies. So it says this item is custom dyed. Patterns and colors may vary as each piece is uniquely different. So the next thing I want to show you all is this hat. Target actually has a Black History Month collection out right now, and this is the backless cap they have, and it says Black and Beautiful. As you can see right here, it's really cute, and I like it because I can wear my hair up in a high bun or a ponytail and still be able to wear my cap because it's backless. So it has a little stretch thing here. The only thing I don't like is that it's not adjustable, so it's kind of big on my head. I'm not even gonna lie, and I got a big head, so I guess they kind of wanted to make it all one fits all, of course, but I wish it was like a Velcro piece or something else that, you know, you can adjust it and tighten it up a little bit. My Nike one has like a band where you can adjust the little, slide the thing over, kind of like a bra, but it's like a band in the back, and you can adjust it that way. I have an Ivy Park one as well. I think it's similar to that, but it's a little thicker in material than my Nike one. And then I have this one. So I really like this one, but like I said, I wish it could extend. I mean, not extend. I wish I could make it a little bit tighter, because it kind of leaves like a little bulk thing here. You'll see me with it on. But yeah, so, but it's still really great because like I said, it's backless. You can still wear it with your hair up, and it kind of reminds me of like the curl cap. I've never tried them before, but it's kind of like a curl cap where it's just backless, and good for my curly girls if you want to wear your hair up and not have to worry about having to slick it down and put a hat on. So yes, and it was only $12. You cannot beat that. So I also got something else I wanted to show you all from the Black History Month collection from Target, and it's a shirt. It's not really a fitness, in the fitness category, but it's still like a daily, you know, loungewear type of vibe. But you can jazz it up if you like. But this is what the shirt looks like. It is a brown shirt, and this is in the men's department, from the men's department. But I got a size small, and it fits perfect. And it has Africa on it, the whole continent, and it has really pretty brown hues and tans, and I love how it has the gold trim around the side. And this shirt was $13. So love it, considering Africa was the first continent I traveled to, and one of the first countries that I traveled to were in Africa. And you know, that's just amazing, and I will never forget that. So I went to Ghana and Morocco, and yeah, it was definitely an experience, and I'm so glad I got to do it. It really started my travel passion, my passion for travel that I have right now. You know, that trip definitely meant a lot to me. So the continent of Africa is beautiful, and why not represent it on a really pretty brown shirt for, not even for Black History Month. We're gonna wear this year round, okay? Year round. So yeah, that's the last thing I got. So that is all I got for my Target workout athletic wear haul, I guess we can call it that. I wasn't expecting to actually do a video on this, but I was like, hey, why not? Like, I'm sure y'all are looking for like great workout clothes, and because I'm always looking for them. So I wanted to share my little experience with you all and show you all what I got. So let me know what you think. Have you tried any of these pieces? What is your favorite place to shop for athletic wear and gym wear? Like, let me know, because I'm curious. I'm always looking for new workout gear. So let me know in the comments down below, please, and thank you. And like I said, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos. So I will see you all in the next video. Bye. Come on, come on. I'm gonna beat your ass like Tyson.